as I do the honors of sending you off on the all-important march in commemoration of the launch of the International Year of Sustainable Tourism for Development, I would like to announce to you all that Harare is tourism and tourism is Harare. Harare stands out tall in terms of tourism potential tapped and untapped. Amongst all the tourist destinations in Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe has the unparalleled advantage in that it has business tourism for people who want to conduct business transactions, initiate and get government support or parliamentary support. We have all the embassies domiciled in Harare. We have the legislature, judiciary and the executive all in Harare. We have many places of natural wonders within a 15-kilometer radius of the CBD. We are talking of the balancing rocks along Chiremba Road, the balancing rocks that decorate the Bulawayo Road as you get into Harare, the Lion Park, the Domboshawa Rocks, Mwanga Game Park, the National Game Parks in Darwindale, Lake Chiwero, just to mention a few. The list is long. Talk of our hotels and lodges, our dining splendor, beauty in gated communities in the northern suburbs, our world-class shopping malls. Indeed, Harare is tourism. This, for me, is an opportune moment to welcome back from an impressive global mission, Honorable Walter Mzembe. The race for the position of UNWTO Secretary General went into sudden death to decide the winner. I'm happy that many Zimbabweans recognize this effort. As a Zimbabwe project, it was this country on the hand. It was not an individual or a personal race at all. In Walter Mzembe, we fielded the best horse for the race, and he did not disappoint. On behalf of the city, I wish to present our compliments to him and challenge him to do bigger and better for Zimbabwe and for tourism. Please open up our tourism space as a game changer. The program for the launch actually starts with the march to the Harare International Conference Center and Rainbow Towers Hotel, the main venue for the launch festivities. Your presence here is therefore very important because it sets the ball rolling in terms of the day's proceedings. It is also important that as we march along the streets of Harare, we will be spreading the message and raising the awareness of sustainable tourism in particular, and the importance of tourism sector as an important pillar for economic development. It is therefore extremely important that we portray the right image and project the right message across town so as to arouse curiosity and capture the attention of the public. Remember, this commemoration is year-long, implying that we'll be spreading the sustainability message throughout the year. However, the message is supposed to stick to our minds and be adhered to for as long as we live and for as long as our children live. Sustainability is for and about ordinary people. It is about societal gain. It is about continuity of these gains into the future. So the message should come across loud and clear and should be broadcast as widely as possible through normal print and electronic media, as well as the very popular social media platforms. This has to be a continuous process, starting today and throughout the year and beyond. The message we want to put across is about the significance of tourism, not only to individuals, but to all communities across the country. The objective is to raise awareness among the local communities about sustainable tourism and other sectoral initiatives that will allow future generations to enjoy the resources that we have today in a manner that brings benefits to all in a sustainable manner. It is an open secret that visitors across the globe are looking for destinations that are eco-friendly and welcoming. We are, as a country and as a city, confronted with an era of many changes across the national and the global spectrum. Hence, we need to be innovative and adopt and adapt good practices on how we use and adapt the resources that we have, and continuously adapt while ensuring sustainability and responsibility for our actions. Let me share with you a quote from the late great Mahatma Gandhi, which goes, "Be the change you want to see in the world." I leave you to take this home with you today. Ladies and gentlemen, let me invite you all to join the procession making the start of the Zimbabwe launch of the International Year of Sustainable Tourism for Development. Let the march begin. I thank you.